Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is 2025, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about gold. You heard it, guys, gold. So you may be asking, why am I talking about gold? I'm talking about gold is because gold is a precious metal, and gold always goes up. It's a proven fact, guys. Gold goes up because it's a very precious metal. And the thing is, guys, it's not like money. Money, you get $1 here, you get $1 there. But every year, your dollar doesn't keep up with inflation. But gold does, guys. And let me tell you why. So here I got 1 gram of gold. It's very small, but this is worth $170 as we speak. And this one here is 2.5 grams. And this one is probably worth $350. But the thing is, guys, gold fluctuates. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. But it's proven the returns on gold is better than just keeping your dollar in your bank account. So let me draw a graph, guys. So anyways, these are really good to have for a rainy day, pretty much. So you're just sitting on money, right? Why not sit on gold? Because gold is proven to go up long term. And also, guys, I want to tell you guys too that throughout the years, we are getting more and more into the technology sector, and we got to make like chips, guys, chips for microphones. We got to make chips for computers. We got to make different special cables, different connectors, and gold is very, very, I would say, very good for that, because the connection it makes with the circuit boards, it's very conductible. And they use silver too, but gold, is just the main source they use. They gold coat chips, and that's just how they did it for a long time, and they're not going to change that. They need gold to make all these laptops and computers and all these boards. So the thing is, if they keep making all this new technology, what happens if we eventually use more and more gold? Well, it's supply and demand, guys. We're gonna use more gold, the price of gold is gonna go up. So anyways, I'm gonna put these two little bars aside, guys. The thing is, we're gonna start off with a graph. So this is the graph here, and we will start back in 2006. So gold was starting out, guys, and gold was starting out even ahead of time. But 1 gram, 1G, cost, I would say, $40. And slowly over time, it went up and up and up. Some years it goes down. So maybe this year it went up to $90. So that could have been in 2009. And then it could have went back down just a little bit to $70. But the thing is, guys, you are still winning, because if you bought it back then in 2006 at $40 and you're riding the wave, it goes up to 90, then it goes back down to 70, you still made money because you only bought it at $40. And then it goes down and it goes back up, and it goes up and up and up, and it goes down a little bit and it goes up. And it's proven, guys, that gold, like right now, standing for 1 gram, guys, it's about 170. And we're currently in the year 2024. Don't quote me, guys, on the prices, because the prices always fluctuate. They go up and down. But the thing is, guys, if you bought gold back then, or maybe even now, guys, it's never too late to buy gold. But it's better if you bought it at $70 or $40. But the next best time to buy gold is now, guys. You know what they say. So, for example, I'm gonna flip it around. So say I'm just starting off. I'm very young, right? Say I was 30 years old. And I'm looking back in my head and I'm saying, hey, I wish I planted a tree that had apples on it so I could have apples every day. But the thing is, you should have planted an apple tree when you were 20 years old. So you would have been smaller, right? But you would have started planting all of these apple trees. So you would plant them all around your yard. You would maybe do, I would say, a couple of them, guys. You would have maybe 10 of them or 20. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And say, for example, each of these trees you planted, but it costs $30, right, for each tree. Now that may seem like a lot to you right now, guys, but the thing is that $30 is an investment, guys. So you're gonna have all these trees producing apples. So when you grow up, you're gonna probably have a big, I would say, not a bucket, but a big skid of apples, guys. You're gonna have apples coming right out of this, right out of the big pile. It's overflowing. It's falling on the ground. You might need another bucket, guys, and you might need another one. But that's the thing, guys. You planted apple trees, and they're giving you apples, and you bring these apples to the market, guys, and you sell them for money. Now, that's the thing, guys. You started 20 years, when you were 20 years old back then, and you grew all these apple trees into apples, and now you're selling it and making the money. Well, guess what? Now you're a little too old. You're 30 years old. You can still get it in the apple tree game, but it was good to buy apple trees back then and start planting them. That's the same thing, guys, as gold. So, you're young, you need to buy all of the gold bars you can buy, whatever you guys can afford. And I would start off with 1 gram. And then you can buy another gram. So then after 1 gram, you'll have 2 grams, guys. And then you're going to buy another gram. You're going to have 3 grams. And you just keep stockpiling the gold up, guys. But remember, it's good to start when you're young, because you have all this time, guys. So say if this was the year, guys, you guys start out in, say, 2014, and you're 20 years old, then you're riding the wave. You are slowly building up that gold, and that gold is going up and up and up and up. It's exponential growth, guys. And it's not like money where you have the big banks, guys. So we'll just call this the bank. And you store your money in the bank, guys. And they're not even growing that money for you. You can get GICs, guys. You can do stocks too. Stocks are really good. Stocks are sort of like gold too. If you have stocks that you know that are going to go up in time, they're going to go up in price, then do it. There's like the Vanguard, it's a VOO, S&P 500. That's a really good one, guys. So the next best thing to gold is stocks too. But the thing is, why have your money in the bank in GICs when GICs are only earning, I would say, guys, now it's getting bad, guys. It's 3.5%, guys. it is really getting bad. And you know, you can't change that. You know, they're just going down and down and down. It's because, you know, people are getting loans now, and they're like lower interest rates than ever before. So now you are gonna get lower GIC rates because the loans that they're giving out are very low. So there's no point, guys, to just store your money in the bank and do GICs and that. I would invest strongly into gold, guys, because gold is proven, and you guys are gonna look back on that video and you're gonna say, hey, I remember listening to this YouTuber that told me, hey, today is the best time to buy gold. And it is true, guys. The best time to buy gold is today, not tomorrow, not the next day. But then if that tomorrow the next day comes, then the best day to buy gold is today. Because you can't go back in time. I can't buy this gram anymore for $40 unless I go to a garage sale and I find it and they don't know what they have, you know, or maybe someone has some gold and they drop it by mistake or something. But the thing is, I can't buy thousands of grams for $40. If I saw that deal, I would be buying up all the grams. But the thing is, I can't, guys. Now this gram that was $40 before, now it's $170. And that's life, guys. You know, everything goes up and up and up and up. It was like before, back then, guys, you could buy a house that was like, I would say 400,000, and now houses are going up in the millions, 1.5 million, 2 million. And that's the thing, guys. Even back then, if you knew that houses are going up, you probably would have bought 2 to 3 houses and put it on mortgage, and you probably would have found a way to make money. Because the next best thing, guys, I'm just telling you guys, is gold. And you guys can invest in silver too. You guys can do whatever you guys want, but gold and silver is another good asset. I could talk more about silver in the next coming videos, but I really believe that there's value in gold, and it's only going to go up and up and up. So guys, stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification so you guys can see the current gold prices and what I think about what's going to happen in the market. Okay, guys, take care, and I'll see you again.